In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert video in Premiere Pro. So, if you're trying to flip the video or invert video in Premiere Pro, here's how you can do it. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, have some footage inside your timeline, inside your sequence, and then you want to select it first. And then what you want to do is go inside the Effects tab down here. As you can see, this one is the Effects tab here. And then in here, you want to type Flip. And when you type in flip, under transform, you will see the horizontal and the vertical flip. So if you want a vertical flip, you can simply put it on there. And as you can see, it's now been flipped vertically. But if you want a horizontal flip, which is the one next to it, what you can do is simply drag it onto your clip. And there we go. As you can see, a flip has now been done. And you can do it as many times as you wish until you find your perfect position you would like to have. So that's how you invert video in Premiere Pro. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.